subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Chinese smartphone maker Techno has launched its new Pova series phone in Russia called Tecno Pova Neo 2 with quite unique rear panel design. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Tecno Pova Neo 2 features a tall 6.82-inch HD Plus display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support, and it has a hole punch cutout at the top corner that carries an 8-megapixel selfie camera with LED flash to take bright images in low light conditions. The rear panel of the phone features an AI-powered dual camera setup at the top left corner that includes an 16-megapixel main camera along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor. Under the hood, the Tecno Pova Neo 2 comes powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with Mali G52 M2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of RAM that can be extended up to 5GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. The device comes equipped by a massive 7000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support, and it runs on Android 12 based on HiOS 8.6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 170.86 by 77.8 by 9.63mm, and it weighs around 230 grams. Now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Tecno Pova Neo 2 has been priced in Russia for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 9,990 Russian rubles, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is reported to be priced at 13,990 Russian rubles. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from October 3rd in black, blue, and grey color options. So what do you guys think of this Tecno Pova Neo 2 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.